This is my baby girl, Piper Grace. And she is not even a day old. And she is just the happiest little thing. Hi, baby girl. Yes. You're doing so good. Oh, maybe she is hungry.
Is she?
Maybe. Hi, baby girl. Yes. Oh, yeah. Tell everybody hi. Tell everybody hi. Hi, everybody. I can't wait to see all of you again. Maybe for the first time. I can't wait to get big. But I can wait for you to get big. So you just stay a little girl, okay? You just stay a little baby so I can hold you. Yes. My little Piper Grace. Oh, she's hungry, baby.
Is she?